Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we're going to talk about some of the good news that just came out recently that the SEC is not going to consider Ethereum or Bitcoin securities. So that helped a little bit too with a little bit of a rebound we saw in the market today. We saw a lot of green, okay? And also in this video, we're going to talk about SiaCoin and the big gain SiaCoin had today after its Binance listing. But let's look at this article right here. Crypto markets rebound after news the US SEC will not consider Ethereum a security. So all but two of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization are making gains, according to CoinMarketCap data. Gains of over 10% in some coins are a welcome respite for investors after crypto markets took a battering over the course of last month. Okay, so the gains are likely due to positive news that Ethereum will not be regulated as a security under US law, or Bitcoin. So that's great, guys. It takes a lot of stress off. If we can start seeing these two projects and prices moving again, the altcoins are going to follow, the market should follow. And we saw a little bit of a rebound today, right? A little bit of a, green flow there through the prices after we've been seeing the bloodbath of red. Okay, so we saw today Bitcoin is now up almost 6% in the 24-hour period, trading around almost 6,700 at press time. The leading cryptocurrency began to see a reversal of its downtrend late afternoon today, recovering from its intratrade low of 63.56. Okay, so that's pretty good, guys. Will that get us going in a bull run? Well, it's positive news. I don't think the bull run's happening just yet. But let's look at this news right here. Dr. Doom calls out crypto bull. Major coins rally on SEC news. The SEC news. Okay, so as crypto traders watched their portfolios deteriorate Wednesday, Turkish-born American economist Nurul Rubini took to social media to reiterate his stance on cryptocurrencies and blockchain, the decentralized technology that underpins them. Now this guy, who famously predicted the collapse in the U.S. housing market and banking system, he's been just very bearish on digital currencies since they began their rise in 2017. In February, he even said Bitcoin was going to zero and called Bitcoin the mother of all bubbles. That gave him the Dr. Doom nickname. Okay, so this goes against what some other big investors and people in the industry are saying, right? We have Tim Draper, who's predicting a $250,000 Bitcoin by 2022. Okay, so all we need to know today, guys, is that the SEC gives the green light. Digital currency owners breathed a sigh of relief when William Hinman, the director of corporate finance at the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, said Bitcoin and Ether are not securities. Okay, so that's very good news for Ether, guys. Also, big news we saw today. If you've been following our videos, we've been talking earlier on about SiaCoin. Now, I don't know if you guys know what SiaCoin is. We'll talk about that project a little bit now. If maybe SiaCoin is something you've already heard about, you're not interested in, you are. But what I want to see today is the big gains, almost 20% gains. SiaCoin pumps following the Binance listing. And why this is important, guys, you have to understand, SiaCoin didn't pay the listing fee with Binance, which is very important. They said, no, we're not paying it. That's what took so long. And Binance just realized, hey, we're losing out all that trading volume money. Let's get it on there. So something's going on with SiaCoin, guys. If you don't know, let me show you. Popular cryptocurrency exchange platform Binance has announced the addition of SiaCoin to its catalog of supported altcoins. Okay. Binance will open trading for 3 SC trading pairs, and the platform revealed the trading would commence at 11 a.m. UTC. So very important news, guys, because SiaCoin, if you don't know, it's a very interesting project. And I'd like to know in the comments what you think about SiaCoin. If you are an investor in SiaCoin, this should be good news for you guys today. You would have saw a big gain. This is something we were watching very carefully, SiaCoin, over the different courses of the market moving, and SiaCoin had big gains. It went down. You could have made a lot of money if you got out of SiaCoin. It was dirt cheap again. If you see the possibility of SiaCoin going back up to all-time highs and reaching all new all-time highs, there's some big profit to be made in SiaCoin possibly. Now, look at this. This is very good news because Binance, this is a significant achievement for the project. 9 months prior, Cryptopia announced this delisting of SiaCoin, citing poor trading volume. Well, that's ironic, like it says, considering many of the listed coins aren't exactly topping the transaction activity charts. So now, for Binance to not even take the listing fee, right, they wouldn't pay the fee, but they still put it on. They see some possibility of SiaCoin there for big trading volume. Okay, look at this too. You can see the cryptocurrency in the winter of 2018 shedding, SiaCoin shedding almost 89% of its value. Because there was big profits in SiaCoin at one point until, everything crashed, but SiaCoin was hit really hard. Now, You see today the price of SiaCoin has spiked by more than 20% in less than 8 hours. So big gains in SiaCoin, guys. It was dirt cheap, right, if you got in. It's also a project that maybe you might want to take a look at, okay? See if it's something you're interested in. Let me come down here. Let me see. I'll show you. SiaCoin is a blockchain-based cloud storage platform, if you don't know. It utilizes smart contract protocols to store data on decentralized hosting platforms around the world. People can rent out their unused hard disk space to others in exchange for SiaCoin tokens. The project claims to be more cost-effective than centralized cloud storage systems due to its low monthly fee of $2 per terabyte. Okay, so it's an interesting project, guys. Go ahead and check it out if it's something you think you might be interested in or learning a little bit more about. If you are into SiaCoin, good for you guys. Big gains today. Let's hope we can keep it going. And good news all around, guys, with Bitcoin and Ethereum not being securities. Now we got to see if some of the other ones we're waiting on, what they're going to be ruled as. Okay, guys. Interesting little bit of news coming out today and a little bit of rebound in the market today. So we saw some green in all of our projects. Guys, I appreciate it so much if you could give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you would like a chance to get a free Power Crypto membership, because we're going to pick one of our subscribed members who's commenting in any of our videos, especially the newest videos that come out. If you can get in there and share your wisdom, share your knowledge, or share your questions with the community, those are the kinds of people we're looking to add into the Power Crypto Clubs. And you'll be learning about new ICOs, new projects that are very exciting, some projects that have possibilities to make good profit on, and what other Power Crypto members are thinking about moving in and out of projects. Great people you can share and bounce ideas back off of. Okay, guys, don't worry about all the prices these days, right? Let's not stress ourselves out too much about the profits and do some the prices and do some other things that we're interested in, because if you're in the right project, a good project with a good technology, guys, and you think this is a project that's going to disrupt a special sector, industry, or market, then stay strong in your projects. Don't worry about the fluctuation of prices, and in a couple of years, you're going to be sitting really pretty. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.